Hello guys, welcome back to Gujarat Tips, and in this video we're going to talk about how to fix iPhone 15 Pro, 15 Pro Max camera is not focusing issue which is happening for many of the users. So when they're trying to shoot something, it is not working, they're getting a lot of issue, and this even happening for many of the users, so we're going to talk about some of the possible workaround. The first one is all about when you're having this trouble, we have to do a restart on your iPhone. It is not a forced restart, just do a sample restart. So just go over here in the settings, scroll down and navigate to general. Now from here scroll down and navigate to shutdown option. Now slide to power it off, and once you're done with this one, what we need to do is you have to open it, you have to use the iPhone once again. So it will be like a fresh restart. Once the restart is done, try using it and you have to check. Second step is all about nothing but we have to remove the phone cases. Right now, as you can see, here I don't have the phone cases, it is completely removed. So I have removed my phone cases, so you have to do the same. So you should be removing the phone cases as well. So even for if you're having any cases for over here for the camera, if you're having any cases, even you have to, the protectors might be used, some people use the protectors, so you have to remove it as well. And once you're done with this one, you have to move to the next step. Next step is all about nothing but we have to clean the phone lens. So you need to use some kind of soft cotton thing, just like cloth, and you have to clean the lenses. As you can see, even having a lot of dirt, it's not so clean, so you have to clean it. And once you clean it with very soft cotton or cotton mix, you have to do it. And once afterwards, what you need to do is you just need to try, and that will be working fine as well. Next one is all about nothing but what we need to do is we just need to update the OS. That is very important. So just go over here in the settings. Now from here scroll down and navigate to general. Now from here go to software update. Just update the software, and you have to make sure that you're not having any kind of issue. So if you're having any kind of update, so iOS 17.0.3 is available, so just update it, and once afterwards you have to cross check whether the issue is solved or not. Last and the least one, not the last and least one, we have two more steps. That is all about we have to do reset all settings. Tap over here in the settings. Now from here let me go back once again. Tap on the settings. Now from here scroll down and navigate to general. Keep scrolling down and navigate to transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on reset and go for reset all settings. And once you go for reset all settings, what you need to do is this will be like a fresh start. So once after the reset all settings, you have to check. If that is not working, we have to go for a factory erase. So you have to tap on erase all content and settings. So just go over here and make sure that you'll be losing everything. And once you have to do with this, and you have to take the backup if you need, the backup is completely has to be done. Once afterwards, check, and most probably the camera will be working fine after this. So these are the possible workarounds, and I hope this video is helpful. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.